Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll to find password and security. Now let's tap on system security, and here let's enter installation sources. And here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case to install some content. Of course you can change it, just find the app and tap on the switcher. Tap on allow, and as you can see it is active, which simply means that from now on your device, the Chrome basically, is allowed to install some content. Be aware because as you can see here we've got this information because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course you can turn off all previously granted permissions, just tap on this switcher again and they are inactive. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.